when you declare a variable without initializing it, it is considered uninitialized. So if you declare a variable and initialize it, that would mean, by the word initialize, that would mean the variable has, that would mean you set a value to that declared variable. So the opposite of initialize in our case would be the uninitialized. It basically means the declared variable has no value, and by its default, it is set to undefined. So it says, currently, your second character variable is uninitialized. It has no value. As you can see here, we only declared a variable called second character with the keyword let. It has not assigned to any value, either be a number or a string, just like this. So therefore, it is uninitialized. It is undefined. So we are to console.log this declared variable called second character. And since it is uninitialized, it would throw an undefined in the console. It basically means, hey, we have an issue here. Your variable has not set a value. It has no value. So, yep, that would be it. Nice.